Getting a square cut on the end of a large block that you've created by gluing boards together can be difficult, especially if you don't have a 12-inch miter saw in your shop. I'm going to show you how to do it on the bandsaw. This process takes 3 steps. The first step is to make a shallow kerf cut on one face of the board. The second step is to rotate the board 90 degrees, and the third step then is to make the cut using the saw kerf to guide the cut through the saw. You can see it's nice and square in both directions.